Since we have a problem on our amp driver IC, we will use another amplifier circuit for our restoration on our GBC stereo. So we're gonna start. Our new transformer for our amplifier is already installed. This is our amplifier circuit that we are going to use. The input signal is already connected. Then this is our connection for our speaker terminal. We're gonna condemn this one. And now we are going to connect our speaker terminal, that output of our amplifier. This is a 50 watt stereo amplifier. Then we connect our AC supply that going to our amplifier transformer. In this terminal, we're gonna connect this blue wire, our AC supply that came from our secondary transformer, and we are going to fix this amplifier to prevent from short circuit. Gonna put a screw on each side. So we are now going to connect our speakers, so we can start to try this one. if we are successful to our converted amplifier. Okay, we are ready now for our first testing. And we will check. Okay, we have now our LCD display is okay. Then we adjust the volume. Okay, we have an audio. Then we try to search for station. Okay, we are successful to our converted amplifier. So we're gonna pick this one and just continue. Then we need to transfer the fan in this area where our new amplifier is here. And we need to try now with the fan if it's working with our sound system, our newly installed amplifier. Okay, the fan is working now with our sound system. Okay. We will now put all the covers, then we go to our final testing after these covers are installed. Okay, we're gonna go now for our final testing. So let's try this one. Okay, we had a standby. Our LCD display. Then press power on. Okay. We had audio. We are successful to our converted amplifier with this GBC stereo. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new one with the bell for more updates. See you next time on my next vlog.
This is 92.3 Wild FM.
God bless us all.